Say your audio files and a video got deleted from a folder on your computer, and now you can't find them there at all. Total headache, right? No worries. Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Open Bitwar, then hit the Deleted Files Recovery button in the top left. Next, pick the drive where you lost the files. I lost my audio and video on drive E, so I'll select drive E for recovery. Click Next. Under Lost File Types, check both audios and videos. Then click Scan in the bottom right corner. Wait a moment for the scan to run. Once it's done, the software will find all the missing audio and video files from drive E. The right side shows all the file details, and you can click the Preview button up top to check if the scan files are the ones you need. Preview all the files you want, then select them. Hit the Recover button in the bottom right. Choose a custom folder on your computer to save them to, and that's it. It'll say successfully recovered 3 audio and video files. Go check that drive folder. They're all there, no parts missing at all. That's what makes Bitwar so great. Subscribe to us to learn more about the software.